Hey everyone! In Australia, we're spoilt for choice when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges. Despite this, each one has its own pros, cons, and impressive features. So in this video, we're going to compare two popular cryptocurrency exchanges and help you decide which one is right for you. To make things even more convenient, I've also included links and video chapters below so you can easily navigate through the content that's important to you. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'll be sharing how you can claim a bonus $20 worth of Bitcoin. Today we're looking at two Australian cryptocurrency exchanges to find out which one is best suited for you. The first one is Independent Reserve. They're one of Australia's oldest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges, having been set up all the way back in 2013. Servicing hundreds of thousands of Aussie investors, Independent Reserve, or IR, are registered as a digital currency exchange with AUSTRAC and are regularly audited by independent agencies for compliance and transparency. It's why they've earned the nickname the Trusted Cryptocurrency Exchange. A sophisticated brand, IR appeals to mature investors and seasoned speculators with a range of margin and limit order options for advanced trading. The second exchange we're looking at is bitcoin.com.au. Also established in 2013, bitcoin.com.au enjoys the same strict regulatory compliance as IR, only minus a lot of the advanced trading features. This is because bitcoin.com.au focuses on making the process of buying and selling crypto as it's probably why they've adopted the catchphrase, "Couldn't be easier with bitcoin.com.au." They're also an official partner of the Sydney Swans, highlighting their credibility and commitment to the Australian community. Signing up with both Independent Reserve and bitcoin.com.au is super fast and surprisingly easy. On both platforms, you can register, verify your identity, and begin buying Bitcoin and crypto within a few minutes. All you need is a driver's license or passport to prove your identity, proof of address, and a biometric check using your phone camera. You can deposit Aussie dollars into your Independent Reserve and bitcoin.com.au account using several different methods. This includes paying with a credit or debit card, PayPal, direct transfer, or instant transfer using PayID. Once you've added funds to your exchange account, you're ready to buy and sell crypto. On both Independent Reserve and bitcoin.com.au, you can choose from Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the 30 cryptocurrencies available for sale. Many of the transactions performed on crypto exchanges attract a fee. The most common fee is a trading fee, charged upon the purchase or sale of cryptocurrencies. On bitcoin.com.au, you're charged 1% on all trades. On Independent Reserve, that fee is only 0.5%. While most deposit and withdrawal methods are free, there are specific options on both exchanges that attract a fee. This includes a 99-cent fee for bank deposits under $100 and a $1.50 charge for withdrawals that use the PayID NPP route. PayPal deposits are free on bitcoin.com.au, but you'll pay a 1% fee on Independent Reserve. Two different withdrawal types are available for your bitcoin.com.au and IR accounts. The first is a withdrawal of Australian dollars back to your bank account. The second is a withdrawal of crypto into a wallet that you own. Most withdrawal types are free, however, instant transfer via PayID attract a $1.50 fee on both exchanges. In the case of a crypto withdrawal, that is, withdrawing crypto to a private wallet you control, a fee is charged to cover the gas or network transaction fee required to process the withdrawal. Many exchanges offer an OTC, or over-the-counter, desk to accommodate large transactions of $50,000 or more. As a part of this service, OTC Desks offer extremely competitive trading rates, often with significantly discounted trading fees. Both exchanges have an established OTC desk that operates Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. during Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Independent Reserve and bitcoin.com.au offer support services from a team headquartered in Australia. This means that help is always available for account logins, transaction inquiries, and answering any questions you might have. They also both offer escalated support for complex inquiries. Apart from being incredibly capable, We also found that both exchanges responded to emails within 1 business day of raising an inquiry. If you're still unsure which crypto exchange to choose, let me make it super simple for you. If you consider yourself a savvy, sophisticated investor and think you have a fairly decent understanding of the crypto market, Independent Reserve is the perfect crypto exchange for all your trading needs. But if you like fun, fast and super simple, bitcoin.com.au may just be the party you've been looking for. And that's it, guys. Hope this comparison of Independent Reserve and bitcoin.com.au was helpful. Now, as promised, here's how you can score a bonus $20 worth of Bitcoin. Use the referral link in the description to claim your bonus. Complete your first deposit and buy to claim the sweet bonus. If you have questions or want to share your crypto experiences, comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more awesome content.